demonstration dual overhead cam motor printed in the I2P lab using all ABS plastic. Some things of note are quality issues with the tall case prints because due to warping and delamination of the layers in the ABS. One functioning feature is the single printed, fully assembled ABS chain. What else? Using extrusion. What else? If we were to change things, we would change for the next go around is not using ABS for the taller prints, using something more like PLA, and then using either photopolymerization or SLS for the chain due to increased quality and surface finish.